In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in the Hostinger website builder. This is a simple process, but there's one small detail to watch for if you decide to use the built-in AI image tool, and I'll point that out as we go so you don't get stuck. Start by opening the Hostinger website builder home screen and going into the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Elements section. This is where Hostinger keeps the building blocks for your page, including text, buttons, galleries, and of course image blocks. Click on Elements, then choose Image. This adds an image element to your page so you can place a picture exactly where you want it. If you're building out a new section, this is the quickest way to insert a fresh image block. After the image element is on the page, click on Edit Image. This opens the image settings and gives you control over what appears inside that block. From there, click Replace Image. This is the option you'll use when you want to put your own picture into the image element. A media window will appear, and you can browse for the image you want to use. Once you find the right one, click Select. That confirms your choice and places the image into the selected area. If you already have an image on the page and just want to swap it for a different one, click the Change Image icon. This is especially helpful if you're updating an existing design without rebuilding the section from scratch. After that, find your replacement image and click Select again. The builder will update the image in that same spot, which makes quick edits really efficient. Now, if you'd rather create an image instead of uploading or choosing an existing one, click Generate Image. This opens Hostinger's AI image feature. Here's that detail I mentioned at the start. You'll need to enter a prompt with 30 characters before continuing. Type your prompt into the field, making it clear and descriptive, then click the purple arrow to generate the image. A more specific prompt usually gives you a better result, so describe the style or subject as clearly as possible within that requirement. Once the AI generates an image, review it and decide whether it fits your page. If you like what you see, click Use this image. That applies the generated image to your website so you can keep designing without leaving the builder. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.